Helo, shwmai a croeso I Teledu'r tele. Hello to you all. In this video we are going to concentrate on the Jit package for our smaller pupils, and in a bit more depth we are going to concentrate on the in the writing side. There's 8 elements to the whole package, and there'll be a video on our channel explaining each one in detail. But on this one we're going to go and look at the write package. The first thing you need to do is you can choose a template of your choice. It could be a blank, it could be a picture that you've uploaded yourself. But to start, we'll just choose one from here. And I think I'll choose the beach. The next important thing, and this is the same on each of the elements, you need to give your work a title. So we'll call it the beach. Okay, the beach. And then we'll write a sentence. I enjoy the beach today. I enjoyed the beach today. I'm sure you can think of better sentences than myself. Then you need to highlight your work, and then there's a few simple editing tools here just to get everybody starting to be able to change the color, change the font and the size. So you could change the size. Okay, yeah, I'll go for the big one. Then there's a few different fonts. We'll go with that one. And then obviously the color. Okay, and there we go. Okay, and obviously the last thing you need to do is to save your work. Hover over it here, you press save and you hover it. Okay, and that's it really. Okay, it's a lovely little package to start your child off with the writing on the computer. If you want to see where that goes, you need to go back to your launch, back into your files, and obviously I've been practicing before I've made this video, and there it is, the beach. That's what we did together. I hope it's of use for you. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl am y tro.